Hello all, today I am going to show you how to set the timer in an AC remote. Basically there are two types of timers. One is sleep timer and another is on off timer. The sleep timer means when your AC is already in the running condition, after the preset number of hours, the AC unit, both compressor and fan, both will switch off automatically. So by toggling this button you can choose the number of hours after which the AC should auto shut down. So if you see, I have pressed it once, so I got 1 hour here. I have pressed it again, 2 hours. So like that you can toggle 3 4 till 7 hours. You can toggle it. This symbol indicates that after 7 hours your AC will turn off automatically. Now we will see the second type of timer, which is turn on timer. This is basically the power supply is to your AC unit is on, but your fan and compressor are not on. To on your fan and compressor, we can keep a timer. Instead of you manually turning on the AC, you can set this on timer so that at that prescribed time your AC will automatically get powered on. For that you have to use this second button, second function. So whenever you press this, you will get second F here. See, I am pressing again so that it will come into normal mode. So if you see here, this dark blue color written, whatever text is written, that is for normal operation. If you press this second F button, you can see the second F button on the display also. It means that for all these 6 buttons or 7 buttons, the second function will be activated. The color coding is second function is in dark blue color. As you can see here, there are only 5 buttons which have 2 functions. This auto clean button and this button has only one function, whereas these 5 buttons have 2 functions. First function is the default function, which is written in dark blue color. Second function is made available when you press this button, second F button, and the function will be in the different type of blue color. Or we can say that this is the dark blue and this is as black. First function is written in black, second functions of the buttons are written in dark blue color. So now we will see how to set the on timer. First you have to press the second F because on timer is having in dark blue color. Now second F is on. Now we have to press this button, on timer button. As you can see here, now on is blinking means still it is not set. When you press this set button, here set this one, then it will stop blinking. It means that it is set. But I have pressed the cancel button now. Why? Because second F was not activated. For example, I will show you again. First press second F, next press this on timer button. Now you press the set button. See, it is set. That's why on is not blinking. So we can say, so now we are telling to the AC unit that at 3 a.m. you turn on my AC. Now we can also set the turn off time. So again press the second F. Timer off means this button. Press this. Now you can see off is blinking. So at 4:40 a.m. my AC will be off. But that instruction is still not sent to the AC. To send that, you need to press this set button. Actually what happened? It got cancelled. Why? Because second F was not active. As you see here, now this is the off, set. As you can see here, only turn off timer is set. Means the AC is already in the working condition and it gets turned off at 4:40 a.m. Say if you want to cancel all the timers, you have to press this cancel button. So I will show you one more time how to set the on timer and off timer. Press the second F button. Click on timer, press set. Likewise, see, second F is already active, so you need not press this button again. So click on timer off, 4:40 a.m. set. So now if your AC is in the turned off condition, it will get turned on at 3 am and switched off at 4:40 am. If you want to cancel all the timers, you can press cancel. So the current time is 6:05 pm. If you want to set the time also, now we will see how to set the time. So for example, I have pressed the second F, turn on timer. Now I don't want to turn on my AC at 3 am, but I want to turn on at 3:10 am. Then you have to press this timer, down arrow and up arrow. Up arrow will increase the time, down arrow will decrease the time. But as you can see here, these are in dark blue color. So I have to activate my second F function. See, second F is activated. Now press this up arrow. See, 3:10. In 10 minutes granularity, you can change the time. So I want to turn on my AC at 3:30 am. Ensure that second F function is active. Press set. Now I want to turn off my AC at 4:40. Means select set timer off, set. If it is blinking means it is still not set. Now it is not blinking means it is set. Say I want to cancel all my timers. You can press cancel. In this way you can set the on timer, set the off timer and set the sleep function also. Do subscribe to our channel if you like the review, and also do subscribe to the channel to find the next videos on how to set the time in the LG AC remote and various functions of all the buttons.